Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by making sure your iPhone can hear the song clearly, so turn on Wi-Fi or cellular and move the device near the speaker. Once done, open Control Center or wake the lock screen to reveal the music recognition button. You may need to add it in settings first. Tap the Shazam-style icon to start listening. You do this now because immediate capture avoids partial matches. Background noise and distance are the main causes of failure, so reduce both. Once the recognition engages, let it listen for 5 to 15 seconds so the service can analyze melody, tempo, and lyrics patterns. Short clips sometimes fail. When it returns a match, check the artist and title and compare album art or lyrics to confirm accuracy. If it looks right, tap options to add the track to your library, view lyrics, or share the result. If multiple matches appear, pick the most complete metadata entry to avoid saving wrong versions. Finally, save the identified song to your library or add it to a playlist so you can find it later. This also stores metadata for quick reference. If recognition fails, troubleshoot. Move closer to the speaker, pause other audio, turn up the source volume, and try again. Most issues are environmental. If problems persist, restart the recognition feature or use a secondary app like Shazam as a fallback. This two-step approach increases your odds of a clean, correct match.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.